mga apat na isang toner, isang serum, isang cream, and sunscreen. Yun lang. Up ng oil build-up. So, malakas magpa-pimples yun. Kaya land na, in 2 minutes. Nangamusta lang ako dito sa IG. Mabilis lang. Quick live. And then eat. And then rest. Can you say broom broom? Bulol ako sa R. Alam na nila yan since day one. Pero sige. Mag-R ako na mag-R for you. Cleanser, Neutrogena. Charlene, I miss you. Malapit na episode 3, mid-June. Dami nag-aabang sa sa part 3. Wait nyo lang. Sana, ma-surpass, or if not, like, same ng, ng output yung third part dun sa first and yung sa second part. Because I think yung both is, both are 10 million views na. So, congrats to the team. Gotta be. Bye guys, I have to go. I'll eat and then I'm gonna have to rest. I have class tomorrow. Good night guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.